to my channel. My name is Melinda Coward, CEO of Unix Administrative Services, or YAS, and creator of YIMA Office Training. I'd like to share with you the principles behind YAS and the YIMA brand. I started YAS because I love to see you succeed and thought it would be even better if I could help you succeed by assisting you in your own idea of success. To assist in the everyday grind that is life. If you own or want a business, you have a lot going on, and I understand. I'm currently in document scanning, printing, and property management. In over 30 years of working in different industries, I've managed to absorb a lot of useful information that I want to help others. Industries such as legal, medical, educational, manufacturing, commercial, and governmental. At YIMA, we see certain problems in society that hinders mental growth, peace, and happiness, and we've created a solution. One problem is so many people lose hope of having a bright future for themselves, their family, and children. A lack of hope leads to depression, crime, and failure. We believe a lack of skills and knowledge leads to a lack of hope. Every single thing you learn increases your knowledge and confidence bit by bit. The second problem is that some people may feel intimidated or feel inferior to those who seem to be more powerful, richer, or smarter. So they won't reach out for business or mentorship. Remaining in this shell hinders your growth. Again, lack of knowledge and skill. The youth, second chance seekers, and new entrepreneurs all seek hope and confidence. We believe you can get this through vital skills. This can all be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be for you. This is where YIMA Office Training comes in. YIMA Office Training will empower people by providing those skills as a solution to these problems. Our training is perfect for those who are new to the office setting. With our step-by-step instructions, you'll quickly gain confidence even with your first experiences in the office environment. Now that you've either started your business or decided to enter into an office environment, YIMA will give you step-by-step instruction and consultation to help you get started. I don't mean a general set of facts about office life with no real description. I mean, in our training materials, I take a day in the life of what exactly you have to do to set up your space, handle and protect your information, and things to consider in your pricing structure. I am so happy for you and even more happy that you allow us to be a part of your journey. Here on our channel, we will be sharing tips, business information, business quiz questions, and just positivity that it takes to reach your full potential. To kick things off, here's our first business question. In terms of handling documents, what is another word for shredding? Subscribe, like, and comment your answer in the comments section. Check out our services and materials on our website, www.yimatraining.com or Amazon. And we're so glad to have you in our Office Bosses community where we show beginners how big businesses thrive. Check out more of our videos. Stay positive and keep going always.
Welcome to YIMA, where business begins.